Great, so we are good to go for the next pitch, I would say. So Özkan and Stefan are presenting now. 3 minutes. So give him a hand, come on.
Hi, I am the Özkan, and I have 5 restaurants at Wittenbergplatz in city of Berlin, with 1,000 seats outside and 600 seats inside, with 80 employees, and the system in the restaurants are stone-aged, and we need a modernization.
Hi, I'm Stefan, and I love startups, but I hate waiting in restaurants. So Özkan and me, we got together and got this idea for next slide. Next one. Oh, this way. Okay, those with 20 seconds. So our plan here is to build a social and interactive point of sale system for restaurants. Basically, when you sit on the restaurant table, it's like your Facebook and Amazon within the restaurant. And there are a couple of companies out there that attempt doing point of sale systems right now. Our main differentiator is we focus on the guest, on the restaurant guest in the restaurant. Yes. So we see we have a big vision. We have vision functionalities for the end user, the guest, the waiter, the kitchen, and the restaurant manager itself. But where did those requirements come from?
Yeah, the requirements and the needs are of my business, of the business of my friends with restaurants, and the needs of the guests.
All right, thanks. And but we do like lean startup, and we can't start with this whole wall of ideas. So we want to start with an MVP. And the problems we are solving, we have the 3 user groups here, are less waiting for the waiter and less waiting for the guest, and then help the waiter who can't be everywhere at the same time, and the restaurant manager actually enable him to establish an electronic relationship with the guest after he left the restaurant. So where are we in the cycle? We are between product and measure. So we just shipped the first MVP this week, and real restaurant guests are using it, and we're running there to get feedback. And the whole project is about 2 weeks old. So people go to the Grenander cafe. I can highly recommend it at Wittenbergplatz next to the Kaufhaus des Westens. They see the QR code or the URL. They open it in their smartphone, and they can actually ask for the waiter or ask for the bill. And then the waiter comes with a bill or comes with a menu. Some feedback. Cool, it works. Can I order as well? So we have like the next step, what we had in mind. We had some validation. Okay, they really want to order with their phone. Don't fire the waiters. These are more the conservatives. Some people thought the QR codes are for waiters only, like QR codes on a parcel is not for the end customer. So we have to do better marketing. And I clicked ask for the waiter, but he wasn't there immediately. So we kind of suspect there's a higher expectation for service speed. And actually today, just before we came here, was a feedback. Sehr gut, zeitgemäß. So thanks, that's it. Oh yeah, and that's our team, and we're looking for more people. So if you're a hacker, hustler, or designer.
Okay, thanks a lot, Özkan and Stefan. So come with me, there's room for questions. So, question for them.
Yeah. I love the idea that you want to disrupt sort of hospitality business, because it definitely needs sort of application. But I'm really curious what kind of financial benefits it can bring to a restaurant owner, like savings, and what kind of percentage can you save in terms of operations with the right implementation of this kind of application?
So the question is, what kind of financial benefit does it have to the restaurant owner?
Let's assume that they're spending 100 on...
Okay, shall I just attempt to answer? Okay, cool. So save costs. The alternatives that exist in the market right now, these custom devices, they're very expensive. One handheld device around €1,000. So if you replace that with a €100 old iPod, which is completely fine for that kind of software, save money.
Oh. How many percent, for instance, would you say running a restaurant in a standard traditional way with waiters and stuff like that, and compare the same restaurant with your application? Would they send like 10% or 20%, and how much cheaper would the operation be? Or is there no difference?
The first thing is only yes. We wanted only to try. Are the guests using this system?
Yeah.
That's first test. and the guests are using it, and they want more. Yeah? And after this, we have a lot of features which we will try more. But this is the first, and we want to only test are the guests they want to try it. Yeah, that was the test.
Okay, more questions. Question? Easy questions? Short questions? No? No? Come on. Okay, well, then that was a very good pitch. Thanks a lot, Stefan and Özkan.